12 years ago, we have started Greenbud with a simple idea. Let's grow together sustainable. Back then, we didn't know where it would take us, but we believed in it. Now looking back, that idea has shaped everything that we have done.
At Greenbud, we are not just focused on one sector. Our work spans at various verticals, dive into a dynamic, challenging and rewarding experience for everyone involved. Working here is an opportunity to dive into different sectors.
From the very beginning, we have worked with all kinds of industries: apparel, footwear, pharmaceuticals, development projects, and even international organizations. Our goal is very clear: to make the world a more sustainable place.
From manufacturing to finance, from development project to sustainability consulting. Every day, here is a new challenge, and with that, new opportunities to learn and grow.
It's an opportunity to learn from the industry's top professionals and make a meaningful contribution to a variety of projects. So it's more than just a job.
And with every project we have taken on, no matter the size, our focus on driving the sustainable goal. We helped our clients to reduce their environmental impact, but also to enhance their operation.
The Greenbud team is a unique blend of fresh and experienced professionals who work regularly. This dynamic forum creates vibrant and collaborative cultures where new ideas combined with experienced knowledge.
As we have grown for last 12 years, we have seen how the sustainability landscape has changed in the industry. People are more concerned about environmental impact than ever before.
Our work approaches environmental challenges with a robust spirit of inquiry. It is not merely data and models we rely upon, but rather a culture that encourages curiosity. What if we combined our renewable energy systems with our innovative urban planning? And what if we change the perceptions of waste into a clinical economy of value? Solutions are not single-faceted, and that's why our work environment promotes innovation, growth, and curiosity, inspiring each of us to make a real difference.
And that's why, at this point of our journey, we are evolving too. We are proud to announce the next chapter for Greenbud with a new vision towards sustainability. It's not just a tagline, it's our commitment to the future.
Alongside our sustainability effort, Greenbud has expanded into water solutions with Greenbud Water Purification System Limited. We are proud to be working with country's largest water treatment plants and small bottling projects. Our goal is to provide reliable and clean water resources for the industries and communities.
Our focus is now on climate action plan, net zero emission, carbon neutrality, and decarbonization. These are not buzzwords anymore. We are actively pursuing that, and we believe these are in our reach. And that's not all. Our another concern, Greenbud Consupec, is also growing. Since launching, we have made a significant progress with our very fast drinking water brand, Glass. Glass is now available at your doorstep. It offers an innovative and sustainable solution for your daily hydration needs. And thanks to the incredible response from the clients, we are expanding further. By 2025, we will be launching a new variety of taste and variants of our products. We are not only stopping there, we are investing in new technologies, expanding expertise, and creating partnership throughout the industry, whether it is through energy audit, carbon footprint assessment, or decarbonization roadmap. We are helping to make sure ambition turns into actions. Together, we are building a future where sustainability is not a goal, it's a way of doing business. At Greenbud Consupec, we are proud to be a part of our customer daily needs, offering a reliable and eco-friendly hydration solution. In these 12 years, we have grown, we have learned, and we have transformed, but we are just getting started. Greenbud is embracing its new vision towards sustainability, and with our partners and clients, we are building a new future which is more greener, more innovative, and more sustainable for the generations to come.